Okay, sure.
Shafere, I hope ni grand mnandi. Tambala muziva njani intona kama kokis kokorika spushino riko njengo brigado. The one and only uchili party steering the move Chuck Norris. Namhlanje yabona ke siva East City Park baba. Happy Easter weekend socially Easter yethu ngayiye maboneng. Sizobona ukuthi amajita enzani. Ngabe kunama performance yakhipha uRick Molo uyaperforma no. So ngicela sivaye siyabona masiphuma yini siyavaye sestrateni siyohlangana nabantu. Masiphuma estrateni straight kwamayimayi siyodla inyama. Indaba kuseyami indaba ingumjita ngayiyo ubuye ukuperform uSikhokho Mpintshi umnandi
ngimnandi super dope izipsilona umfana wenu uphuma eFostloville yazi nani ngiphuma kuma radio 123 miles kuya kuma Dideng mana manje siphusha uphanga izips all the things
Sigebengu nombuzo we1 for wena uhlusha umfazi
ngihlusha umfazi awuthanda abafazi never man
cause imamela ingoma yakho lepo uyiperforma nawe akalale endlini
ndivuka ekseni cabanga ngazi ingane yami engithanda kakhulu
ekseni
umama engane zami
boza abangana kumnandi ukuhlangana nawe plus the first time yethu thina ngayi and you are the first person engihlangene naye mbone performer la performance yakho bimnandi Sikhokho
serious that's dope man
sifuna ukwazi ngawe Mpintshi ubuya va grand uqaleni no music le millennials khona inhlangana kanjani millennials khona
millennials khona ngumani Msizi awuthi yami ngibuya naye eFostloras yabo
okay sure
ngingena ngaye but besides anything mina ngibuya eFostloras lami nguSibusiso umzimkhulu kanjangesa mngani nami mara ngokwesibongo kahle ngushaweni but that's a long story you know but me I'm pushing rock and roll and Afro rock and pop music in South Africa. I've been working with Radio 123 for the previous years. Now I'm pushing Dideng for my own self, you know.
Now it's Sikhokho.
We've done a project with the Gorillas in 2018. The guys from the UK as well, you know.
So,
yeah, man. I've been on this industry as a young boy. Learning as well.
So abantu bafuna ukwazi ngawo ngomjita ukuthi music wakhe bawuthola va Instagram what zonke
ku SoundCloud Dideng ku SoundCloud Instagram Facebook Twitter everywhere
SoundCloud Dideng Instagram Dideng_SA and then on Facebook Dideng everywhere everywhere Dideng
all the time
Umtshisa wasefose bafethu everywhere Dideng
all the things
nganam
bro oh yes
awe thank you
Bring that,
randomly in rather sudden name and accompany you all. Sorry, after mining added this was like an octopus prime. Yo, an octopus prime. On top of this I'm an octopus prime for a positive sign. On opposite sides of water is why my orbit smile. Anonymous life and honest kid line. Proportion my style is preposterous wide. Hypocrites all my God. This colossus mind of mine is
It's him.
Yeah, it's up. Put me next. I'll put me next.
Okay, one last time.
Yeah. I appeal. Yeah, good. This is mine. Mini yegelele game.
Azini uthatha amaklazi onke amaklazi Sikhokho. Otherwise umnandi.
Mnandi nje amkrent.
Hayi mnandi kakhulu.
Salute.
Nice performance Sikhokho.
Away my king.
Umtshito obuye kaSlam ke lo. Ngicela usintroduce ngokwakho Sikhokho.
Yeah, sure. uRick Molly bafethu ngiyamthola uSifiso kahle ngithola abantu abangazi uFistosi. Sifiso ekasi vele ngithola. That's my father's name, and then my mother's name is Rick Molly. Molly is my surname, man. You know, yeah. I come from Ezola too, bafethu. That's why I grew up, and then I grew up Eswaneville.
Emshenguvili, ungathi Eswaneville, Emshenguvili.
Yes, Eswaneville, Red. From there, West Rand, dog. That's what I think there. So yeah, that's who I am. I'm crazy, man. Yeah.
So ushaya trumpet mpinji.
Yeah.
Qale ushaya trumpet.
Yo.
Phela ngibona ushaya iset uyiwanda uze ku keyboards nini ukumathi ndoda. Magic. That's magic.
Yasazi stress isile happy wejaya. Yabona mangibamba la kungayenzakala into esi right. Yo. Nena ngeke usungibone usho awukaya perform. Yentwana. La enhlisweni nasengqondweni kuyagijima baba yo. Manje kuzenzakalani manje? Yeah. I started learning my instrument from the age of 12, man. I didn't stay, but self-taught. I didn't go to any school.
Woza. Ufundise mna.
Yeah, ngithola so ngingasifundisa. And it's better right now with the second number YouTube. I didn't stay all of that those platforms.
Spanisa zona kubona ukuthi enziwa kanjani.
So that's my class. I didn't stay. So it could be anything, man.
Now
if you wake up like saying I want to be a doctor, you can be a doctor today. Go on YouTube and see how they operate it hard. Or take out some shit in the human brain. But yeah, man, I'm just saying, good team. I'm who I am right now because I had passion and I taught myself, because where I come from, there's no direct route of who. When you want to be a musician, on how you go about.
Exactly.
Now, people like us, they don't know what music is a career. They know music as something you just playing.
Now it's cool.
Yeah, it's all right there.
Exactly. But when the way ringayo yonke ukuthi uqale kanjani like usifundise everything from YouTube yonke into.
Yeah.
Imbonisa the way you perform ngakhona rampini.
Yeah.
Iprove loo nto leyo ukuthi whatever iringayo no, it makes sense and it's true.
Yeah.
Now bafuna ukuringa nawe mpinji ku, let's say bafuna ukulandela so that bazothola music wakho ku Instagram, akusi Instagram futhi Instagrizzle.
Yeah, Instagrizzle. Ooh, I'm taking that one, nigga. Instagrizzle, do you hear that, nigga?
But Instagrizzle.
Yeah.
Follow up on Instagrizzle.
Okay, Rick Molly is the same on each and every social network. It's RickMolley. So yeah.
Injalo ayikho enye into Rick Molly, Instagrizzle, Twitter, everything. Sisonke.
Ayijiki.
Ntwana.
Salute. Uzibanjani TV.
For transportation with television.
Millennials Corner. Oh yeah, LTLITP.
Hey,
Yeah, I just have to say the way it is. Lit experience. Lost in trance experience. Niggas. check that on your YouTube, your Facebook, your everything, and even check out Rick Morley. Peace.
Awe. Sivala kanjalo ke mina ngiyazikhona Curiosity ama-chance ama-performance yonke into imnandi bafethu. I hope ni-enjoyile. Awona lo sithatha senza kanjani funa ukubona live ke yasemaboneni ukuthi zikhiphane ngaphandle abantu benzani. Asiphuma nabo kwa-My guys, first time yami kwa-My ngifuna ukubangela ngibone ukuthi abantu baphila kanjani la benzani. Sisimangele asivaye manje zobala.